My name is Orlando, Service Manager here with Keefe's AC, Heating, Electrical, Plumbing, and Generator, and I'd like to talk to you today about the importance of your HVAC maintenance. The purpose of this maintenance is to do a thorough 25-point evaluation across your system to ensure proper function and cleanliness. During this evaluation, we inspect all of your electrical, mechanical, heating, and cooling components. We also provide several options to help protect this investment. That way you can get the best quality out of your equipment and longevity. This also pertains to several enhancements that can protect your equipment from electrical strike and/or power surge. The best way to fight against our climate here within the state of Louisiana is to have this maintenance visit performed at least twice a year. This can ensure proper function, proper efficiency, and to help keep your home nice and cool during the summer months. For fast relief, call Keefe.